I'm in the mood for some fried fish, but I don't want to sneak up the house. What am I going to do? I love fried fish. Who doesn't? But I don't want to stink up the house. They call me the Asian Phenom, and I'm the best at what I do because I review everything from A to Z. Today we're going to take an exclusive look at the CUSIMAX electric hot plate. Oh wow, look at the beauty of this stainless steel finish. Ooh, can't wait to test this out. Wow, this is a beauty right here. Two hot plates. So imagine if you simply live in an area that doesn't have supplied gas or propane gas along those lines, then having this electric hot plate would be the ideal solution. Featuring a powerful 1800 watts, 900 each on each burner. And what does this say right here? It says it's normal and safe that your new burner smokes. Okay, so make sure we remove this coating. Oh wow, look at that finish behind this. What you're looking at is double crystalline glass plate. All right, you see these turn knobs. You can have min to the max. That's a nice. Oh, check out these legs, guys. Here's what the bottom looks like. It's got some ventilation, and it looks like a pretty long cord. So let's go ahead and test it out. I'm super excited. So I'm in the backyard ready to do a cookout. I already have the power connected via long extension cord. Okay, so what am I cooking up today? First of all, I'm gonna do a quick stir fry, and then we're gonna fry the fish. These are mackerel. Let's go ahead and turn it on, make sure both works. Ooh, I feel the warmth already. Let's make sure this, oh yeah, that's good right there. See, so I'll be testing out using this stainless steel skillet with stick-free coating. Okay, so let's go ahead first. I'm gonna turn this off right here. We know both work. Let's go ahead and do some stir fry. Put a little bit of this canola oil in here. All right, I think the oil is hot enough. Just gonna throw this in here. Add a little bit of pink sea salt seasoning. Let that heat up. So the first thing I noticed is that it takes quite a bit longer to cook versus gas range. But that's expected with a electric hot plate because that's more like using the convection heat, and it also depends on the ambient temperature because it's almost freezing out here. So the temperature ranges from on max 716 degrees Fahrenheit to 932 degrees Fahrenheit. Looks like that's almost done. So the stir fried bok choy is done. All right, who wants some? Let's go ahead and give it a try. It's my favorite piece right here. I bet that's good. But who's ready for some fried fish? For the fried mackerel, I'm gonna need plenty of oil. Use canola oil. I'm actually curious to see if I can measure the temperature. Looks like it's too high for the readout. Alright, I'm ready to put the mackerel down. I already have a season with pink sea salt and a little soy sauce. So this hot plate works with basically all cookware types: ceramic, stainless steel, aluminum, and even glass. I do want to make a note, this is not induction heating. I can smell that fish already, but I'm glad I'm not cooking it indoors because it's gonna stink up the house. Let's go and flip it over and see how it is. Whoa, I'm a little bit scared right here. I know I work in a restaurant. Oh, hey, look at that texture right there. How does that look to you guys? I think that's done. I'm just freezing out here. Let's go ahead and plate this and go inside and enjoy it. Ah, it's so warm and toasty in here, and I'm super hungry. Look at how crispy these fish turn out to be. I like this piece right here, and let's go dig into it. Ooh wee. Now my house doesn't smell like fried fish. Oh yeah, that's done right there. Mmm, so good. I seasoned that properly. So as you can see, this electric hot plate is super useful, especially if you just want to cook food that might stink up your house, such as fried fish or fried chicken. You don't have to worry about that anymore when you can prepare it outside. Making this electric hot plate ideal for camping trips, picnics, or even studio apartments without a kitchen built in. So you are looking for the ultimate hot plate? Definitely give the CUSIMAX brand a look.